55-degree IAT on the F150 using our plug-and-play kit. All pre-made hoses, CNC fittings. Can't see anything in the front there. Getting really nice and cold. Alright, 95 degrees outside, cruising 55, 56. 42.6 at the vent, and I will say this is the most impressive vent temps I've seen in almost any car. For that sort of ambient temperature, it's getting extremely cold. We're freezing our nuts off in here. Okay, this is the stage 2 F150 plug and play chiller kit. So as you can see here, we're pre-making all of the AC hoses for you, using CNC fittings to adapt into your AC connection points. It's got our normally open solenoid that we make on there, chiller mounting bracket, full electrical wiring harness with Deutsch connectors, LED switch for inside the car to switch on and off the solenoid so you can switch between cabin and chiller only mode, dryer bracket, heat shielding, secondary AC condenser, spout fan, condenser mounting brackets with pre-drilled holes in them, insulation for your AC and water fittings. This customer optioned up with the AN12 water fittings. We're giving you the leftover foam sleeve from the suction line that we're pre-insulating for you. This customer's optioned up with 2 additional foam sleeves for his intercooler hoses, his free t-shirt, and he's also optioned up a larger CWA 400 intercooler pump with the 12 AN fittings, which also comes with a 6-foot harness and electrical adapter. So that there is the plug and play F150 kit. It works great.